from first. So here's the stomach. And within the stomach, we have these folds. And those big folds are called rugae. Okay? Now within these bigger folds are smaller ones. So it's going to be like this. Like that. And those folds are called gastric pits. And within those gastric pits, those are where we find our parietal cells. Parietal cells. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to go into step-by-step detail of how parietal cells make hydrochloric acid in your stomach. And we're going to start off with the blood vessel and the parietal cell. So let's get started. First, the carbon dioxide goes into the parietal cell and mixes with our lovely friend water, H2O. And it will make carbonic acid. Let's write that right here. Carbonic acid. Okay? With the help of carbonic anhydrase, which is the catalyst. And what's going to happen is the carbonic acid is going to split into two, okay? It's going to split up into hydrogen and bicarbonate. Okay? So remember, we need to make hydrochloric acid. So it already split into two, so guess where the hydrogen is going to go? Into the lumen of the stomach, okay? That's where we want it to go. In order to do that, it's going to use a pump, okay? And let's put that in pink so you guys can see it. So basically, the hydrogen is going to go here, get pumped into the lumen of the stomach in exchange for potassium. Okay, so in order for this pump to work, we're going to need ATP. One ATP molecule. Okay, and this pump is called the, I'll put this right here, the hydrogen potassium ATPase pump. Okay, so in exchange for one potassium, the hydrogen is going to go into the lumen. So now we can cross off the hydrogen right here. We got that. And what's going to go on with the bicarbonate? Where's that going to go? This is going to go back into the blood vessel. Okay. What about the chlorine? You're probably sitting there, how are we going to get chlorine, right? Well, blood vessel. That's where it's going to come from. So we're going to bring that into the lumen of the stomach, and we're going to get hydrochloric acid.